So look, I've just got a few quick headlines that I was going to just zip through just to show you, if you look at the news this week, headline number one, it's raining money for banks and budgets. So we know that there's this money all over the place. And then we've got the next one, which is M&A boom hits record level in dash for deals. And we know that there's just so much activity in the M&A space. I was saying to someone the other day, you pick up the Financial Review these days, and 2/3 of the first page is all M&A activity. It's just amazing how much is going on there, and that's just money trying to find a home. There's so much of it about. And then we've got the third one, which is RBA nails rates down as economy pumps. I mean, this is interesting, I think, because the RBA is holding the rates down, but those house prices are getting out of control, I would have thought. So low interest rates, plenty of easy money. I just wonder, in all this activity that you're seeing, Patrick, and I'll ask you as well, Bruce, is much of this collection activity that you said you've seen a ramp up in, is much of that fintechs?
Yeah, a lot of it is the non-bank lenders. So your sort of second, third, fourth tier lenders who provided a lot of repayment holidays and concessions last year, who are now obviously trying to shore up their own balance sheet, and they're saying, look, we've given you plenty of time now. We'd like to get paid.
Yeah, I'm interested because a lot of the fintechs obviously were having a good jolly old time lending like crazy. And I thought, whilst obviously there's a lot of experienced people that are within those firms, the firms themselves obviously didn't have a lot of experience. And I wonder what it was going to be like when, because obviously the fun part of lending is giving the money out, but sometimes you've got to go and chase it to get it back again.
Yeah, and look, it's certainly the case, Nick, that a lot of the fintechs for a good chunk of last year stopped lending. Some of them stopped lending altogether. Some of them only kept lending to existing clients and didn't take on any new ones. So there's definitely a lull in terms of new origination last year.
Yeah.
But we are seeing that pick up again this year.
Bruce?
Yeah, we're seeing similar things, but you talk about the headlines, Nick, and there's NAB today.
Just hold that one a little bit closer.
No, that's NAB.
So it says NAB. We have a head start on bad debts. So what's that about?
Well, that's NAB basically boasting that they didn't give people as much, weren't as lenient with their customers as others, and that they are already moving in on what they see to be troubled industries, retail, aviation, transport. So
right.
Yeah, it's
and are you seeing that in your practice?
Not at this stage. I think that Patrick's numbers bear out that these things are starting to trend in a direction, but we're not seeing a huge increase in that sort of activity.
Yeah.